Prof Samson Kegengo Ongeri MP is a Kenyan politician. He is currently the senator for Kisii County.Prof Sam Ongeri was first elected to parliament in 1988 and was a member until 1992. He was re-elected to represent the Nyaribari Masaba Constituency in the National Assembly of Kenya in 1997. His tenure lasted until 2002. As a member of the Orange Democratic Movement, he was Minister of Education from 2007 to 2012 and Foreign Minister of Kenya between 2012 and 2013. He was unsuccessful in his first run to represent Kisii County as a senator in 2013, losing to Chris Obure. In 2017 he was elected as Kisii County Senator, becoming the oldest member of the Kenyan Senate. He was the chairman of Athletics Kenya from 1974 to 1984. On 12 September 2012, Ongeri was among a Kenyan delegation meeting in Mogadishu with newly elected Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, when two suicide bombers and two gunmen dressed in government uniforms attempted an attack on the Jazeera Hotel, where the officials had convened. There were reportedly around 10 casualties, among which were 3 Somali security detail, 1 AU peacekeeper, and the assailants themselves. None of the assembled statesmen were harmed. The Al-Shabaab militant group later claimed responsibility for the attacks. References